Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel Yog Chakra. Today I'm going to show you some yoga asanas for our brain activation, which is completely related to our neurons and which increase our focus, balance, concentration and emotional stability. So let's start.
My divine soul, here I am showing you first Padhastasana, which is a very powerful posture for our brain because it is increase lot of blood in our brain and activates our Manipura chakra. Here all these postures are specially for our brain, which I am showing you. Next we'll do Madhyapatsirasana. Here just try to touch your head with the ground, then hold for a few seconds like this. Breathing should be normally. And always remember that your brain is a very powerful tool which you have, so you have to take care daily and seriously. And don't think that brain activation yoga it is only about just body movement. Absolutely not. It is a practice which increase blood flow in your brain, boost your clarity, improve your mood, increase your memory power and reduce your mental fatigue. So just practice this daily and activate your brain for your nervous system. And you know, these days everyone is disturbed because of his habits and condition. And he want to change himself, but he cannot do so. Why? For this, first of all, we should know from where this impurity is produced. And after understanding this whole process, I think it is very easy to control. So here you don't need hour for practicing this. Only for few conscious minutes daily, which activates your brain for your nervous systems, improve your mood, increase your memory power, emotional stability, and reduce your mental fatigue. So just practice this daily. But remember, all this posture you will have to do at least 3 to 5 times, and breathing always normal. So practice this daily and stay happy, stay healthy, and keep smiling.